E4D receiver performance characteristics, dynamic range, intermodulation and cross-modulation interference, third-order intercept, desensitization, preselector, sensitivity, link margin. E4D. What is meant by the blocking dynamic range of a receiver? A. The difference in dB between the noise floor and the level of an incoming signal that will cause 1 decibel of gain compression. E4D. Which of the following describes problems caused by poor dynamic range in a receiver? A. Spurious signals caused by cross-modulation and desensitization from strong adjacent signals. E4D. B. What creates intermodulation interference between two repeaters in close proximity? B. The output signals mix in the final amplifier of one or both transmitters. E4D. B. Which of the following is used to reduce or eliminate intermodulation interference in a repeater caused by a nearby transmitter? B. A properly terminated circulator at the output of the repeater's transmitter. E4D05 question deleted section not renumbered. E4D. C. What is the term for the reduction in receiver sensitivity caused by a strong signal near the received frequency? C. Desensitization. E4D. A. Which of the following reduces the likelihood of receiver desensitization? A. Insert attenuation before the first RF stage. E4D. C. What causes intermodulation in an electronic circuit? C. Nonlinear circuits or devices. E4D. C. What is the purpose of the preselector in a communications receiver? C. To increase the rejection of signals outside the band being received. E4D. C. What does a third-order intercept level of 40 dBm mean with respect to receiver performance? C. A pair of 40 dBm input signals will theoretically generate a third-order intermodulation product that has the same output amplitude as either of the input signals. E4D. Why are third-order intermodulation products created within a receiver of particular interest compared to other products? A. Third-order products of two signals in the band being received are also likely to be within the band. E4D. C. What is the link margin in a system with a transmit power level of 10 W plus 40 dBm? A system antenna gain of 10 dB, a cable loss of 3 decibels, a path loss of 136 decibels, a receiver minimum discernible signal of -103 dBm, and a required signal-to-noise ratio of 6 decibels. C. Plus 8 decibels. E4D. What is the received signal level with a transmit power of 10 W plus 40 dBm, a transmit antenna gain of 6 dB, a receive antenna gain of 3 dB, and a path loss of 100 decibels? A. -51 dBm. E4D. What power level does a receiver minimum discernible signal of -100 dBm represent? D. 0.1 picowatts.